Last touch attribution is giving credit for a marketing conversion based on the last click, impression, or action a prospect takes before doing something you want, like buying something, installing an app, subscribing, or whatever. Last click attribution is a bit of a fantasy, but it also works. Everyone knows there is never just one thing that causes a person to do something. Everything is overdetermined, caused by multiple things. So, someone may have seen a friend playing a mobile game, maybe checked out some gameplay on YouTube, and perhaps even looked at the app on Google Play. And then, of course, got distracted, like we all do. 3 days later, they see an ad for that game, something clicks in their brain, then they click on the ad, and boom, conversion, app installed. We know there's more to the story, which is why we'd prefer multi touch attribution. The reality of mobile attribution right now, and given privacy laws, iOS 14.5 and 15, and some of the direction that Google is moving in, last click is what we've got mostly, besides a bit of impression data and maybe a few iOS 15 scan postbacks from ad networks that didn't supply the winning tap. The other reality, however, is that last click, for all its failings, has worked pretty well to drive and optimize mobile growth over the past decade, which is, I guess, comforting. In spite of its flaws, it's been fairly successful.